Power steering is a system in vehicles that assists the driver in steering the wheels by reducing the effort needed to turn the steering wheel. Traditional manual steering requires significant effort, especially at low speeds or when the vehicle is stationary. Power steering aids the driver, making maneuvers more manageable and less tiring. There are mainly three types of power steering systems: hydraulic, electric, and electro-hydraulic. Here's how each works. 1. Hydraulic power steering, HPS. Hydraulic systems are the oldest type of power steering mechanism. Pump and fluid. At the heart of this system is a hydraulic pump, typically driven by the vehicle's engine via a belt. This pump circulates hydraulic fluid, power steering fluid, under pressure. Steering gear. When the driver turns the steering wheel, a spool valve within the steering gear, often a rack and pinion setup, directs the hydraulic fluid to one side of the piston or the other, based on the direction of the turn. Assistance. The hydraulic fluid's pressure pushes against the piston inside the steering gear, aiding in turning the wheels in the desired direction. This significantly reduces the effort required from the driver. Feedback. As the steering wheel is turned further and the car responds, the flow of hydraulic fluid changes, providing natural feedback to the driver about the road conditions and how the car is responding. 2. Electric power steering, EPS. This system has become more common in newer vehicles because of its efficiency and ability to integrate with advanced driver assistance systems. Electric motor. Instead of hydraulic assistance, an electric motor provides the necessary assistance to turn the wheels. Sensors. Sensors detect the driver's steering input, how much and how quickly the steering wheel is turned. Controller. Based on the input from the sensors, a controller determines how much assistance is required and directs the electric motor to provide the necessary force to the steering system. Assistance. The electric motor assists the steering column or steering rack, reducing the effort needed to turn the wheels. 3. Electro-hydraulic power steering, EHPS. This system is a hybrid of the first two, using both hydraulic power and electric power. Electric pump. Instead of being driven by the engine, the hydraulic pump is driven by an electric motor. Assistance. Like traditional HPS, the system uses hydraulic fluid to assist with steering. However, since the pump is electrically driven, it can be more easily controlled and can be turned off when no assistance is needed, saving energy. Benefits of power steering. Reduced effort. Requires significantly less effort from the driver, especially during low-speed maneuvers like parking. Adaptive assistance. Modern systems can vary the level of assistance based on driving conditions. For example, at highway speeds, less assistance might be provided to offer better road feel. Energy efficiency. Especially with EPS systems, power is used only when needed, making them more efficient than traditional hydraulic systems. Integration with advanced systems. EPS can easily integrate with advanced driver assistance systems for features like lane keeping assist or automated parking. In essence, power steering systems, regardless of the type, aim to reduce the driver's effort in steering the vehicle, making driving more comfortable and less tiring.